Hey guys, it's me, Brielle, and it's my daddy. We're gonna be cooking
Fajita Hasselback chicken.
Fajita Hasselback chicken.
On top of cauliflower rice.
On top of cauliflower rice. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Click this video on more videos of cooking.
And don't forget to subscribe.
The subscribe button.
Button.
Hit that bell over there or right there.
Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's get started. Alright guys, so before we start cooking, we always want to make sure we want to set our oven up to 350. And it's going to go ahead and start getting the heat warm on the ovens because we're going to be putting our fajita Hasselback chicken in the oven.
Yeah. So today we're chefs.
Today we're chefs. And today,
I got my apron, my hat.
Go ahead. We're cooking.
It's a hat.
Today we're going to be cooking fajita Hasselback chicken.
Fajita Hasselback chicken.
So let's go ahead and start showing you guys our ingredients.
Yes. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell right there. So I can go ding, ding, ding. We just got 3. See? 1, 2, 3.
3 very large chicken breasts right here. Chunky Tostinos salsa. We have sharp cheddar cheese.
Cheese.
We have green
pepper. Red pepper.
And we got some
tomato.
We got some fajita seasoning mix. And then on the bottom, we're going to add some rice cauliflower.
Cauliflower rice.
Let's get started. I got my helpful trustee, Bri Bri, standing right next to me. Alright, so obviously Brielle's not supposed to be cutting or doing anything with the knife, so I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up the chicken, and then I'm going to have Brielle do some rinsing off and cleaning for me while I go ahead and start getting the seasoning and everything else ready. So, obviously right here we got our chicken breasts. Now these are just a little bit too big, so we're going to go ahead and chop these down, just so that we can make it a little bit more manageable. I picked this chicken breast up at Myers. Alright, throw that in there. We're going to throw this one in there too. Can you rinse those off for me, sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just doing some cuts on the chicken. Now, when you're making Hasselback chicken, you have to put about 4 quarter-inch cuts inside of your chicken. This is where we're going to be inserting our seasons. All right. You always want to make sure that you cut this down maybe about 85% of the way. So just leave it ridged. Okay. Alright, so we got some pretty good nice cuts out of this one. Nice and groovy. Alright, we got our chicken here all chopped up and ready to go. Let's go ahead and start cutting up our seasons. So, first thing is red pepper. Brielle, can you rinse that off for me, please?
Yeah.
So with the red pepper, you just want to dice it up, because we're going to be squeezing these pieces inside of the little ridges that we cut out in our chicken. So it's going to take us a little bit of time to cut these on up.
You gotta chop it up like that.
Preparing our peppers is going to be a little bit different compared to the salsa. Okay. And we're going to chop up a little bit of tomato to add to it. Tomatoes.
Ketchup comes from tomatoes.
Where do bananas come from?
I don't know. You asked me.
Banana tree.
No.
Where?
jungle.
The jungle.
Yeah.
Now we make sure that we cook everything over a medium stove until the vegetables start softening up. So we'll go ahead and keep these vegetables on top until everything starts softening up. Once our vegetables have softened up, we're gonna go ahead and start adding in some of the fajita seasoning mix, as well as some of our chunky tomato salsa. So the thing that I love the most about cauliflower rice is that it usually requires little to no prep. The kind that we buy has its own seasons already in it. This is Bird's Eye. You can pick this up at any grocery store. This other version we have is roasted garlic. We're gonna start off by oiling our pan. So, Brielle, I want you to take a little dab of this oil. I want you to rub that oil in on the pan. Just rub it in with your hands. Rub it all over the pan. Just make sure you got it covered. And now we're gonna go ahead and start putting in our chicken.
I'll put the other piece, okay?
And our seasoning. So all you gotta do is really just get you a little spoon and just dabble in the sauce in between the ridges.
Pan hot too.
Alright, so now that we got everything on top, we're just gonna pretty much top it all off with a little bit of pepper and some salt.
Can I put it on this one? And it has chicken, cauliflower rice.
Cool. Well, I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. If you want to see more videos, cooking, hit the subscribe button if it wants to be more. So you can have more videos. And you can have more videos about cooking. And me and my daddy gonna cook again and again. So we love you guys. Bye.